black pepper, Japanese quail, rice ball, or black pepper, Japanese quail, pilaf, or black pepper, Japanese quail, rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most different of the rice ball recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the Japanese quail recipes and one of the most tastiest of the pepper recipes. We're going to make pepper Japanese quail rice ball in around 300 to 400 grams of Japanese quail, cleaned and cleaned thoroughly. These are 4 in number. Salt to taste. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Take off the seeds. Put in a spoon of turmeric powder, spoon of chili powder, spoon of black pepper powder, and half a spoon of coriander powder. Thoroughly mix in the spice mix into the Japanese quail. Thoroughly mix it in and let the mixture marinate for around half an hour. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. saute. Put in ginger, salt, saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of chili powder and half a spoon of black pepper powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. Thoroughly mix. Put in the Japanese quail into the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Until all the ingredients are mixed to applied onto the Japanese quail. Now close and let this mixture cook for around 25 to 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. 2 cups of water. Mix. And salt to taste. Mix that. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix. and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. Now the black pepper Japanese quail rice bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper Japanese quail rice bowl or black pepper Japanese quail pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the recipes for dinner and one of the most easiest to make of the quail recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.